Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy which is going to earn you a passive income. Okay, but this is going to be really good method and many of the people are doing this. Okay, and I'm practically saying to you that it will take some time to earn you some money, but it will be for a very long term and you will be earning money for a very long period of time if you follow this method. If you follow this strategy, this is going to be an entire tutorial. Maybe it is a little bit of longer video in which I am showing in-depth tutorial on how to do this stuff. So just stick to this video till the end, and if you want to skip the video, I'm gonna say that you should skip the video, because if you are going to skip this video, then you are never gonna take action. Now let's get started, and the first thing is that you have to go to this website which is known as Audio Library. Okay, now YouTube Audio Library is a copyright free music audio library. Okay, you can download multiple copyright free music from here. Okay, and another website which we are gonna utilize is known as Pexels.com. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so here I have been searching for some workout photographs, and yeah, here are the photographs. Okay, and now utilizing this stuff, we are going to create a video, but I will firstly show you what type of videos we are going to create. Just search for the term workout music. Okay, and you can see all these videos appear over here. See, and you can see that ads are running on this this ad. So you can see ads are running on this video, and there is just the background image and some random music is playing in this video, and you can see that these videos are getting a lot of views. Okay, and these videos are even monetized, so the person who owns this channel is making a money, probably making a very much good amount of money just by making this type of simple videos. Okay, so you just can make a lot of money. Okay, now let's go and check out one of this channel and see how much money these channels do make. Okay, let's get this channel. Okay, so this is the channel Workout Music. Let's go to Social Blade and find out how much this channel is earning. So here's the Social Blade. Okay, and let's now copy the name Workout Music. Workout Music, let's search it. Okay, now let's see how much money these channels are making. Okay, they are probably making a lot of money because they are getting a lot of views. Okay, where is that one which we were searching? Slide. Let me copy the name. Okay, Control C. Let's go to Social Blade. Control V. And let's search if it's opens or. Okay, so here's the channel. Okay, so Workout Music, only 13 videos are uploaded to this channel till today. Okay, and you can see the amount of views this channel is getting is a lot, and they are probably earning 1.1k to 17.6k. Okay, 17.6k, that's some awesome amount of money. Okay, but with my experience, they may be making somewhere between 7k to 12k dollars every single month, and you can see that they are making a lot of money, up to $200,000 every single year just by this videos. So you can also make this type of videos and make a lot of money out of YouTube. Okay, now let's create a video just like this so that we can start earning from those videos. Okay, so first we have to go to this website which is known as Pexels.com. Download a workout image whichever you like. So I have already downloaded an image, and I have downloaded 2 music tracks from this audio library. Okay, YouTube Audio Library is a place from where you can find copyright free music. Okay, And once it is done, all I have downloaded this stuff, and now what we are going to do is we are going to open a video editor. Let me show you. Let's minimize this as well as this and open short video editor. Okay, this is the tool which I use. It's available absolutely for free. Okay, so don't worry that you have to pay some money to buy a video editor. It's absolutely free. Okay, now all we need to do is just whatever we have downloaded from here, we will be dragging and dropping that stuff. Okay, so here where is the editor? Okay, and now let's drag and drop. So this is the first track, this is the second track which we have downloaded, and this is the image which we have downloaded. Okay, all these are copyright free stuffs because on pexels.com you get all the stuff which is copyright free, so don't worry about getting any copyright strikes. Now all you need to do is drag this image over here and then pull it a bit. Okay, it's enough. Now all you need to do is drag this over here, place it, drag the second one over here and just place it, and it's done. Our video is being created. Okay, now just drag this stuff a little bit further and boom, our video is created. See, so it's playing its music and our video is already created. Okay, now all you need to do is just press this red button, just give the name, whatever name you want to give it to it. You save your file path and then just nothing to select over here, let it be all formats. I'm showing you the entire thing. Okay, and just select the file whichever you want, but I highly recommend that you should select this one which is mp4 mpeg4. Okay, select this one, and here in the resolution you just have to select this 1080p. Okay, 1080p 30 frames per second, or you can select, okay, that's it, or you can select this HD 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, this is the final one and this is the best one. Okay, just select this one so that you can get a HD video output. Okay, and then all you need to do is click on this button which is export videos. Okay, now make a videos a little bit longer, just add in 3, 4, 5 tracks over here and make this video an hour long video, so you can get the most amount of watch time and you can place multiple ads on your videos so that you can earn more and more money with this. Okay, so this is the how you create this type of simple videos just by utilizing your computer, okay, and desktop. So this is so easy and so easy method that even a kid can do this method. All you need to do is take out some time of yours. Even if you are working a 9 to 5 job, you may be having a holiday on some day, just sit at your home and create 5 to 10 videos just like this and just keep uploading one video every single day, and you will see that soon you will complete the 4,000 hour watch time and 1,000 subscriber mark. After that you can just apply for monetization of YouTube and you will be starting money. Okay, you will start making money from YouTube algorithm just by this method, and it will take some time, but it is really rewarding in the long run. So I definitely highly recommend you to take action on this method so you can make the most amount of money. So just take action. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can also check out other videos on my channel which are just really awesome stuff about make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.